Hello, is this the yoga class for beginners?
Yes, it is. Welcome. My name is Ben.
Hi, Ben. I am Sarah. I am very new to this.
That is great, Sarah. Everyone starts from the beginning.
I am not very flexible. Can I still do yoga?
Of course you can. Yoga is for everybody.
The studio is so beautiful. It smells like flowers.
It is lavender incense. It helps people feel calm.
I feel a bit nervous. My life is very busy.
This is the perfect place to slow down today.
Do I need to wear shoes in the room?
No, please take them off. We practice with bare feet.
My socks have little cats on them.
Those are very cute socks, Sarah.
Thank you. I am ready to start now.
Please take a mat from the wooden basket.
I like this purple one. It is my favorite color.
Purple is the color of magic. Put it here.
Okay, the floor feels very warm and very clean.
We clean it every day with natural lemon oil.
I am standing on my mat. What is next?
Just stand tall and look at the big window.
I can see the green trees and the birds.
Focus on the nature. Feel the peace in your heart.
I am trying, Ben. It feels very good already.
Now, let's learn how to breathe properly, Sarah.
I know how to breathe. I do it every day.
But yoga breathing is deep and very slow.
Like this?
No, slower. Close your eyes and count to 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. In through the nose.
Perfect. Now hold the air for 2 seconds.
1, 2, and now out through the mouth?
Yes, like a soft wind. Let all the stress go.
Wow, my shoulders feel much lighter now.
Breathing is the most important part of our practice.
Why is that? I thought yoga was only about stretching.
Breathing connects your mind to your physical body.
I see. It is like a bridge between them.
Exactly. You are a very smart student, Sarah.
I am trying to listen to my own heart.
Let's do it 3 more times together. Ready?
I am ready. My eyes are closed now.
In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2. Out, 4.
I feel like I am floating on a cloud.
That is the power of a quiet mind, Sarah.
Can I do this at work when I'm busy?
Yes, 2 minutes of breathing can change your day.
Thank you, Ben. This is a very useful secret.
Now let's move our bodies a little bit. Stand with your feet together. Reach for the sky.
My arms feel very long today.
Now, slowly bend down and touch your toes.
Oh, my fingers are very far from my feet.
It is okay to bend your knees, Sarah.
Okay, now I can touch the floor.
Perfect. Don't push too hard. Listen to your body.
My legs are shaking a little bit. Is that normal?
Yes, it means your muscles are waking up now.
Hello, muscles. It is time to work, guys.
You have a very good sense of humor.
It helps me when things are difficult or new.
Now, relax your head. Let it hang like a fruit.
A fruit? Like a heavy red apple on a tree?
Yes, let the gravity help your back relax.
This feels very strange, but very, very nice.
Now, slowly come back up to standing.
I feel taller. Am I taller, Ben?
Maybe 1 centimeter. Yoga makes your spine happy.
My spine is very happy. It wants to dance.
We will dance later. Now, let's try a balance pose.
Balance? I am not very good at standing still.
We will try the tree pose. It is very classic.
I will try my best. Which leg should I use?
Start with your left leg. It is your strong side. Put your right foot on your left ankle.
Okay, I am standing like a small young tree.
Now move your foot up to your knee.
Oh, the tree is moving in the wind.
Look at one point on the wall. Do not move your eyes.
I am looking at the small clock on the wall.
Good. Now put your hands together near your heart.
I am doing it. I am a tree in the forest.
Can you lift your branches up to the ceiling?
Yes, look at me. I am balancing.
You are doing a wonderful job, Sarah. Stay still.
Oh, look at the bird.
Oops, the tree fell down.
The bird was very fast.
It is okay. Falling is part of yoga.
Really? I thought I failed the pose, Ben.
No, when you fall, you learn how to stand up again.
That is a very beautiful way to think about it.
Let's try the other leg now. Be a steady tree.
This side is more difficult.
Breathe. Focus. You are strong and you are calm.
I am a mountain. I am a big rock.
A rock is also a very good thing to be.
I am holding it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Perfect. You are a master of balance now, Sarah. Now please go down on your hands and knees.
This pose reminds me of my cat, Muffin, at home.
Actually, this is called the cat-cow pose.
A cat and a cow? That is a funny combination.
Look up and arch your back like a happy cow.
Moo. This feels good for my neck.
Now look down and round your back like a cat.
Meow. My spine is very flexible now.
Repeat it. Move with your breath. In and out.
Moo, meow. Moo, meow. I love this game.
It is not a game, but it should be fun for you.
My back feels like a soft wave in the ocean.
That is the goal. We want fluid and easy movement.
I am feeling very warm now. Yoga is real exercise.
Yes, it is. It builds strength in your whole body.
Can we do one more moo before we finish?
Of course. One big cow pose for Sarah.
This is my favorite part of the day.
Now let's sit back on our heels and relax.
Is the lesson over? I want to do more.
We have 10 more minutes. We must do meditation.
Meditation? Is that when we sleep on the floor?
It is not sleeping, but it is very, very quiet.
I am not good at being quiet. I talk a lot.
I think you will enjoy the silence today, Sarah. Please lie down on your back. Close your eyes.
The floor is very hard, but very flat.
Relax your feet. Relax your hands. Relax your face.
My eyes want to open. Can I keep one eye open?
No, Sarah. Try to look at the dark inside.
Okay. I see some small purple stars in the dark.
That is your imagination. Just watch the stars.
I am thinking about my dinner. I want some pasta.
Let the thought of pasta fly away like a bird.
Goodbye, pasta. See you in 1 hour, my friend.
Now, listen to the sound of the small water fountain.
It sounds like a little river in the forest.
Imagine you are sitting by that river in the sun.
The water is cold. The sun is very warm on my skin.
You are safe. You are happy. You are very peaceful.
I feel very heavy now, like I am part of the floor.
That is perfect. Your body is resting very deeply.
I don't want to move, Ben.
You don't have to. Just be here in this moment.
Was that a magic bell?
It is the signal that our meditation is finished.
I feel like I slept for 10 hours. It was amazing.
Meditation is a gift for your brain, Sarah.
I think my brain says thank you to you, Ben.
You are very welcome. Let's sit up slowly now. How do you feel now, Sarah? Tell me the truth.
I feel like a new person. I am calm and I am happy.
I can see it in your eyes. They are very bright.
Thank you for being such a patient teacher today.
It was a pleasure. You are a very energetic student.
I will come back next week. Can I bring a friend?
Of course, yoga is better with friends and family.
My friend Anna is very stressed. She needs this.
Bring her here. We will help her breathe and relax.
I will tell her about the moo and the meow.
She will like the cat-cow pose, I'm sure.
Now, why do we put our hands together like this?
We say namaste. It means I respect the light in you.
Namaste. That is a very beautiful and deep word.
It is a way to say thank you to each other.
Then namaste to you, Ben. Thank you for the light.
Namaste to you, Sarah. Thank you for your energy.
I am going to roll up my purple mat now.
Keep that feeling of peace in your heart all day.
I will. I will walk slowly and breathe deeply.
That is the best way to live your life, Sarah.
See you next week. I am going to find some pasta now.
Enjoy your dinner. You earned it today.
Goodbye then. Have a wonderful and zen evening.
Goodbye, Sarah. Take care of yourself.
Did you like my lesson? Yoga is not scary at all. It is very fun and easy. You can practice at home. Just find a quiet place. Repeat after me. I am calm and I am strong. Very good. Now say, I love my healthy body.
And don't forget to breathe deeply. Let's try together. In and out. Very nice.
Yoga is the best teacher. He has a lot of patience.
And Sarah is a great student. She has a big heart.
I am putting on my shoes now.
I am cleaning the mats for the next class.
I am walking to the door. The sun is very bright.
Have a safe journey home, Sarah. See you soon.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.
Goodbye. Namaste to all of you.
Learning English is like yoga. It takes practice.
Though it is also very rewarding and very fun.
I am so glad I came to the studio today.
I am glad too. New friends are a blessing.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.